Hello forever, this is Isa and Raya. We're here at gymnastics at C1 Studio. You wanna see? Our studio, it's like a tennis court.
Yeah,
Because it's in there, but there's no aircon, that's why. We're sweating right now because it has no fan. This is the only area that has fan. And we're on our water break and we're gonna send you like some videos on how we perform. Right?
no, I'm embarrassed.
You know, don't be embarrassed. It's okay, girl. We're starters. We're like level 1 gymnasts.
We're like level 1. It's our third day. We weren't able to record the past 2 days since
Because we're busy.
it was like moving so fast. Like time was moving so fast, so we had no time to record.
Yeah, and our water break is really like fast.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And go. Okay, good. Knock down, straddle, the same, three jumps, and forward roll, side roll, and up to cartwheel. Okay.
Bye forever.
No.
This is me after gymnastics.
Our legs hurt.
Yeah, so hurt. Hello, this is bloopers.